hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make sweet corn pakode. This is very easy to prepare as well as tasty. So definitely try this at home. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. For this we need raw sweet corn, salt, rava या Suji soaked in water, red chilli powder, chaat masala, rice flour, gram flour or besan, onion for making paste, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, boiled sweet corn, green chilli for paste. Now take a grinder jar and add raw sweet corn, onion and green chilli that we kept for making paste, and rava ya Suji that we soaked in water. Now make paste of all these ingredients. Do not add water. Then take it out in a mixing bowl. Now we will be adding all the other ingredients. But remember, you have to add besan and rice flour little by little. So we will be adding 1 tablespoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add chaat masala 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder according to your taste, salt as per taste, chopped onion, coriander leaves, boiled sweet corn. I have given all the measurements in the description box. Now mix all the ingredients. Now to make the right consistency, you have to add besan and rice flour little by little. So in this sweet corn batter, I have used 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. Do not add more rice flour than besan. Now the batter is ready. So heat a pan and add a good amount of oil. Now take a small amount of batter and put into the hot oil. You can make the size as you want. Now fry on medium flame until the color turns into nice and golden brown. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip the pakoras and again cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. It will take 6 to 8 minutes. Now the sweet corn pakoda is ready to serve. Now try to discard the maximum oil and take it out in a kitchen towel or in a clean paper. Now follow the same process and fry the rest of the pakoras. This pakoda is very easy to prepare as well as very tasty. So in this rainy season, try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Now you can see the pakoras are well cooked from inside and outside it's very crispy. Now enjoy this sweet corn pakoda in this rainy weather. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.